and welcome to another rero tutorial video. Today we're going to build a tortoise robot. So this is going to be the first robot that we're going to build that uses limbs to move around. So let's get started and build this. Now these are all the parts that you will need for the tortoise robot. You need 4 double spacers, 2 single spacers, 4 rotatable connects, 15 interconnects, that's all of the interconnects in the basic set, 2 adapter joints, the rero controller, of course, 5 cube joints, 4 long U joints, 4 slim wheels, 1 claw, 1 head module, 8 cube servos, and of course the opener. Okay, so we are going to start by building the leg. So for each leg we need 2 servos, 1 rotatable connect, 1 interconnect, 1 long U joint, and 1 slim wheel. So first, we're going to connect the long U joint to the servo. So whenever you want to connect a U joint to a servo, you must always use the rotatable connect. Connect it to the opposite side of the upper connect. So it goes in like this. If you don't do that, the long U joint will be very unstable. Now insert the interconnect to the end of the long U joint and then slide in the slim wheel. So this will be the feet of the robot. And then finally slot in the upper connect of another motor to this servo, like so. So this will be the leg of the robot. So you can move forward, backwards, and then you can lift, and then you can go down, back again. Okay. So now we're done with one leg. So duplicate 3 more sets because we need 4 legs in total. Okay, we are done. And now for the body. So first take double spacers and then slide it into the front side, to the side of the controller. So this will be the front and this will be the back. So 1 double spacer and then 1 single spacer and then 1 adapter joint. Remember, it's always beneficial to make the slot face outwards for the adapter joint, because if you ever build something below, you might block the entry point of the slot. So if you put it outwards, there's nothing blocking it, so it will cause, you can avoid any problems when building. And then 1 more double spacer so the adapter joint won't move around. So do the same on the other side. 1 double spacer, then adapter joint, single spacer, and then double spacer. So like so on both sides. Now take interconnects and slide into the adapter joint. Here, also here. And now slot in 2 cube joints. So depending on which side you want to be the front, I'll use this side. So since this side is the front, I'll put the head module here. So first slide in the interconnect on the top side. As you can see, there's a slot on the bottom of the upper part of the head module here. So you can slide in like so. In this, and then on the other end, put an interconnect, and then slide in the claw. So here the claw will function as the tail, and then here's the body. So now flip it over on this side. Now I want to slide an interconnect in on the bottom side of the cube joint here, and then slide in another cube joint, another interconnect, and then another cube joint. So you want a cube joint right under the controller on this side, and then here another cube joint, like so. Okay. So like this. So the motors, the servos will go here and here, so they'll form the legs of the tortoise robot. So the last 4 interconnects goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take the legs and slot them in one by one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this, and then we are done. So despite having so many parts, it's actually really simple to build, and you can see by using the cube joints like this, we can make a wider body for the tortoise, so that it will be more stable because the area is larger. So we're done with the building. So here's the task for today. Try to make your tortoise robot move. Here's the sample program. You can see if you can imitate the program. So remember that you can teach the robot how to move using teach mode, or you can use a rero animator. So things to take note here is that all 4 legs are moving at the same time, and then you can see that they're shifting from front to back simultaneously, and then as you can see, the legs need to shift out so that you can change. You need to make sure that only 2 legs are touching the ground at one time, while the other shift to the position where you can continue to push the robot forward. So remember to try it yourself, and then on the next video I'll show you how to program the robot using the rero animator. So that's all for today.